Hello everyone, hello. This is Glenda from Express Baskets and Treats. In this video, I'm just showing you some ideas and some things that I did with the men sleep pants. I did a video on the women's sleep pants, but now I'm gonna show you what I did with the men. I did two of these in just a flat concept. They are very easy to do. And then I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these in these little clear boxes. And then I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I did 8, baskets. The bigger bag. Okay, let me tell you what I put in these. And basically, they're just any occasion gifts. You can use it for a birthday. You can use it for Christmas. You can use these for Valentine's Day, Father's Day. These two flat ones, I put the sleep pants and just some bath products. Under this one is a little pouch. That you can't see it because it's black, but it's a little pouch, and then it has the loofah, the soap, the moisturizing cream, and a loofah, and it has a little black, a case, carrying case to put your bath products in. This one has a sleep mask and the sleep pants and the little Dove container. The sleep mask I got from one of those Beans stores. These plastic containers I got from Amazon. The stainless steel cups I got for $2.40 at Ollie's. The watches, I got the watches from Walmart. And the sleep pants, all of the sleep pants and things came from Family Dollar. I have found a lot of them in men and women, and they're all different sizes. That's one thing you have to be kind of nervous about, when you get all these different sizes, and hopefully it's the size that someone is looking for. Because a lot of times, I take a bag, some scissors, and glue, and out there with me, because sometimes I have to do surgery on some of these baskets. And what I mean is, if someone comes and they really, really like the basket, they really, really want the basket, but it's not their size, I will put a little slit right here, take this one out and find it, because the size is on the back of them. I'll find their size, I'll stick that back in there, and then I'll and then I'll sew it back up. But I've done that numerous. I can't even count the number of times. And I'm here local in town. I do ship, but most of my, most of my baskets are sold here, local. They know me, I know them. Okay, let's get back to the flat ones. Okay, in these little boxes, I have the pajamas and then some bath products. In this one, and in this one too. But well, these 4 have watches. These 4 are kind of, as I say, just alike. They have sleep pants, watch, and a cup. See, they don't have any bath products in these. Okay, now these baskets, that's a spray and a towel. I just rolled it up and stuck the spray inside of it. That's the bath pants. And this is for someone with the beard. That's the beard wash and stuff like that. Things to condition your beard if you have one. And this is a carrying case for your stuff. You can put your stuff in it, your bath products. There's a cup and there's a little foot file. Now these basically have the pajama pants, and they have a little coffee cup, and they have the bath products. That's in a loofah, So and this has a scratch remover, the wax. Let's see, that's thing for your car. But that's in that one. And this one, same thing, just got a pair of shades. Oh, and it's got that's a little, not a boom box, but a speaker. And these three, this one, stop making all that noise. I'm doing a video, please. These three have the Old Spice, because I have a lady, she comes every holiday. Her husband likes Old Spice, and I have to make at least one Old Spice basket, because I know she's coming. This has a massager, the Old Spice soap and aftershave, the cup, and face wash, loofah. And this one has about the same thing except for that watch. You know, this one is the only one with the watch, but it has the grooming set kit, you know, for your fingernails. And this one, same thing. And this one, pretty much same thing. The loofah, the body wash. I think this one has deodorant in it. That would be something different, but here again, I just used what I had. These are very inexpensive baskets. They know when they come to the table, they're gonna find something. I'll make something even more affordable. You know, this is considered inexpensive. You know, there's no just high-end per se items in this stuff, but just make it look presentable, make it look cute, and just pray for a sale. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching.